Hello, come with me into exploring a waterside living like no other. Welcome to Azizi Venice. This project stretches across 336 acres located at the heart of Dubai South. This community is only 7 minutes away from Al Maktoum International Airport, which is going to be the largest airport in the world. With a direct access to an upcoming metro station, this project features a 1,500-seat opera house within the community. Come check it out. And moving on into the amenities, which I'm very much excited about, this project features an 18-kilometer swimmable beach and boardwalks.